Shh. My class has started. My class has started.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. You're the first one today. All right. You're so smiley this morning. Good job. You have sunshine today? I see sun coming from your window. Yeah?
Yes.
I've got rain today by my house. Oh, who's this? Who is this? Amelia. All right. Here's Amelia. Hello. Who are we missing?
I'm not here.
You can hear me? Are you chewing gum? Okay. All right. We got two girls. Where are the rest of the friends? Where is Mila and Ariel? And Lily. Oh, you got a bunch of stuff on your table there, Saisha.
Thank you.
Oh, oh, yes, I sent that one to you, Ted. So today we are going to do the one with the little lines on it. Mine's on a shiny paper because I'm going to take that. We're doing this one today. Work on writing. And
Right now.
Hold on, Amelia. All right, so we're doing that one today. And then the other thing today is the journal, the craft journal with brown paper. Here's Mila. Okay, Mila's coming. Here's Mila. Where's Ariel? Hello, Mila. Mila's having a snack. Where is Ariel today? All right, I see Mila and Amelia, Ariel, I don't know where she's at, and Lily. Okay, so for today, Mila, do you have your stuff by you today? Today we're doing this paper with the like cloud and flower. This is the tracing. Yes, Aisha's got it. Good job. All right, so we're gonna do that today. So you'll need a marker or a crayon or a pencil, and then we're making a nature journal. So let me hold up the picture to show you. Here's the picture of the nature journal. So you should have a brown paper, a sticker. Who has a butterfly or a flower sticker? Oh, Sasha does. She has her supply.
I told you that it's flower time. It's flower today, not Sunday.
Oh, Amelia, you know what? You can use those flowers if you want, Amelia. Those were from one of the days when you were on vacation. We did those flowers. But there was a sticker for today. But if you want to use those flowers, those are beautiful flowers. All right. So you might have a butterfly sticker or a flower sticker. And then I think there was some ribbon too. There was some ribbon. It looks like this white ribbon.
I have this one.
Oh, beautiful. I have one like that too. I have one like that.
It's Elsa.
It looks like what?
It's like Elsa.
Oh, I like that idea. I didn't think of that.
I got a rainbow.
A rainbow? Oh, the ribbon, the white ribbon.
It looks like a rainbow.
Oh, that's fun. All right.
Rainbow.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know where the other two girls are, but we're going to start. So put all your paper. Oh, there was actually one more paper too. We probably won't get to this, but I sent you this one.
This one, or I don't know which one.
Yeah, you need that. That's the brown one. Okay, good job. Did you? Yes, Sasha's got it. This one has pictures of nature, and this is for, yeah, that one's good too, Sasha. Good job. This one is because if you want to go outside later and look for these items in nature. All right. I don't know if we're gonna have Ariel and Lily today or not, but let's start. Okay. The first one on the screen today was Sasha with her dinosaur shirt. I love it. And she's got a pink dinosaur shirt. Is that a pink dinosaur around your neck? Sasha, you have a pink dinosaur around your neck. There is a friend who's here today, and Sasha is her name. S-A-I-S-H-A, S-A-I-S-H-A, S-A-I-S-H-A. We're happy Sasha's here today. And her pet dinosaur. There is a friend who's here today, and Amelia is her name. Oh, A-M-E-L-I-A, A-M-E-L-I-A, A-M-E-L-I-A. We're happy Amelia's here today. I think she's wearing a unicorn today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks cool. I love it. Very nice. And Mila, I see her hair, but I don't see her shirt. There is a friend who's here today, and Mila is her name. Oh,
I don't have a shirt.
you're not wearing a shirt?
Yeah, I'm wearing this.
Unicorn dress. I love it. M-I-L-A. We're happy Mila's here today. I love that dress, Mila. You look very fancy.
Like me.
Yeah, Unicorn Day. One of my friends in my other class was wearing her Elsa costume. I didn't know it was dress up day, but she was wearing her blue. You do too. She was wearing her blue Elsa dress in class. It was pretty cute. All right. We are almost done with April.
Yeah.
Today is going to be April 28th. Look at the number, everybody. 28. 28.
Yeah.
All right. What should we do? Should we jump up and down? Should we?
I know.
Okay, Sasha, what do you want to do?
Spin around.
Spin around. All right, we're going to be busy. 28. We're going to be busy. Oh, Mila, don't do it.
I'm going to be busy so bad.
So switch directions. Don't all go, stop halfway and go the other way. All right, so first I'm going to the right. So, and go. 1, 2, 4, 5. Who's counting? 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to the other way. 11, 12, 13, 14,
Busy.
16, 17,
Busy.
19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Whoa.
Oh, you're so dizzy.
Yeah, so dizzy. All right. 28. Okay. 28. Well, we didn't do 28 sit-ups, but we counted to 28. So, I have a question. It's like 2 more days. Right.
Look at me.
Yeah, somebody in my other class said they wanted to make a necklace. Amelia, wouldn't it make a pretty necklace?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they said it would make a pretty necklace in my other class. All right, so we have 2 more days of class in April. And then it's going to be May. It's going to be May. So, actually, Amelia, I have to drop off the package later for May.
What?
I didn't drop yours off yet. I have it over there on my desk. And then, Sasha, did you get your package in the mail yet? Do you know if you got your package? Did you get your one for May yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh, maybe today. Maybe it'll show up today. All right. I'm hoping so. Some other friends got theirs already. All right. So we are still in April, and we're talking a lot about nature. Yeah, that's awesome. You want to make a crown? You want to make a flower crown? That would be pretty. All right. We're going to start with this. We're gonna start with this paper.
Oh God.
Do you have a marker, crayon? Taisha, we're gonna do this paper.
Okay. I can have more.
Mila, we're gonna start with this paper. Amelia, you have to get a marker, a crayon, or pencil. Okay, Staisha, we're gonna do the lines on this paper.
Okay.
So,
I already done that.
You did it already? Hold it up and show me. Hold it up and show me your work.
Look.
You did trace it. Awesome job. Great work. Okay, so I'm gonna point the camera down to show you. So this is practicing because we're working on writing all of our letters.
I did mine.
Okay, let me see. Which one are you starting at the cloud? You follow the dotted lines.
Got it. I got it.
Hey, Mimi, that one.
Are you watching dancing?
Papa. Guys, can you do a little bit? Papa.
Is it a dancing group?
Yeah. Follow it.
Dad, just push me.
No, you do not play.
Dad, I'm squishing it.
Hey. We are working on our
Can
writing.
you follow the line?
Yes. This helps you make your letters. This helps you make your letters.
Yeah.
Also, you can do this with cutting practice.
I did mine, Ms.Julie.
Let me see. Oh, you did awesome. You concentrated. You did a good job. I think it says to write your name at the top. There's a line that says name.
This is zigzag.
Zigzag. Yes, very good, Mila. It is a zigzag line on there.
I'm done with mine.
Okay, I want to see you write your name. I want to see you write your name on your paper.
Write my name.
Write your name. At least some of it. I want to see you write your name. Okay, I wrote my name on top of my paper. You can also later, if you want, you can take your scissors
put your
and
name?
you're cutting with it.
No, this told you.
You gonna tell me what? What are you telling me, Amelia? Let me see. Let me see your name on your paper, Amelia.
L
Did you do it?
A.
You didn't do it?
I didn't do it.
Oh, come on. All right. Well, when I write some more stuff, then maybe you will write something. Okay. Okay. Now, girls, we have been talking. Oh, M for M-I. Good job, Mila. See, you can do it. Mila, you've got a short name, so you can do it. You've got it. All right.
I'm
4. You're 4. You had a 4-year-old birthday.
have a 4-year older.
In Florida. Lucky you. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so girls, we've been talking a lot about nature. Last week we had Earth Day. Do you remember that, Earth Day? Okay, so we all live on Earth, but we live in different places. Mila and Sasha live far away from me. Where do they live? They live all the way in California. Amelia, have you heard of that before? They don't live by us. You guys live far from us, but Amelia lives near Ms.Julie. So we have different types of nature by us.
And tell you something.
Oh, you want to come tell me something? What do you want to tell me, Amelia?
No, when I go to your house, I'll tell you.
Oh, okay. All right, we got to plan that. Okay. All right, so there's different types of nature in different areas. Saisha, what are you coloring right now? Show me what you're coloring. I would love for you to share. What is it? You're using, the nature. Okay, so everybody, I'll show this first, since people are already coloring this. Amelia, are you coloring your paper too? Do you have this?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. So Sasha's already coloring. So,
Raindrop.
yeah, it does. And we had rain by us this morning. But it looks sunny by Sasha and Mila. Did you guys have rain today, Sasha and Mila?
I don't have rain today.
No, but I had rain by my house this morning. So I could color the raindrops on my paper. Yeah, that's a good one, Amelia. Okay, so you can color these items that you find near your home. These are items you can find in nature. Some people might have flowers growing by their house, right? Yeah. Some people might have bugs crawling on the sidewalk. Who's seen a ladybug lately? Has anyone seen a ladybug?
Not me.
No. How about a bug?
I've seen a ladybug.
You've seen a ladybug? Oh, then you should make your bug a ladybug and put spots on it. How about a bumblebee? Has anyone seen a bumblebee by their house?
I didn't see a bumblebee.
I saw one this morning. I couldn't believe it. There was a bumblebee.
I see bumblebee on my house. I see bumblebee on mommy's house, and then it's so scary.
Oh, you don't have to be scared. You just have to walk away. You don't need to be scared. You don't. Because the bumblebees like to smell the flowers. So you might, if you find flowers, you might find some bumblebees near.
I like flowers and bunnies.
Yes, great. I have bunny rabbits in my backyard all the time. Look at this one.
I got a backyard too.
Oh, that's great. Look, I found a worm.
I see. Ethan, I got a playground.
Wow, you're so lucky. I bet you climb on your playground, you can see some things in nature.
No,
You can see-
I can climb on my stairs.
On the stairs, okay.
Mom.
So there's birds in the trees in nature. And that you could maybe see some butterflies and leaves. And I'm going to show you another picture because I have some words here. This one says blossom. Oh, look, you can see me through the book. Blossom. See the trees? The flowers are coming out. The ones by my house have white flowers. There's some with pink. The word blossom, okay. Oh, look, this is part of nature. The chick lives on the farm. There's probably a farm nearby, and they have chickens.
It's like by my house.
Have you seen the chickens?
I have seen the chickens at Jessica's house.
Oh, the house down the street at the corner has chickens, Amelia. So you might see them driving by one day.
Yeah.
I know the girl who lives there. She has pet chickens. What else is on? Oh, look at this one. The forest. You can see lots of stuff in the forest. That is a baby deer called a fawn.
Look, Ms.Julie.
You're doing great coloring, staying in the lines. I love it. Look at the fawn. You can see the fawn in the forest. If you go for a walk in the forest preserve, you can see deers.
I can't.
No, you don't ever take a walk in the forest?
No, because I'm scared.
Oh, you don't have to be scared. You can go during the daytime. You go during the daytime. It's nice. Down the street. There's a lake there.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, yes, right, Mila? Yeah. You can see the deers in the forest. Come out when it gets to be a little darker.
He's so tired. He's so big and cute.
Yes. Let's see what else we see in nature. Oh, my favorite, the bunny rabbit.
Yes,
The bunny rabbit.
What's her name? What's her name?
The bunny rabbit doesn't have a name. It's not a pet. It's a nature bunny rabbit. His home is outside. He's not my pet. He's just a bunny.
The bunny?
Yeah. Oh, that's so nice, Mila. Me too.
Flowers and bunnies.
Yes. And look, these children found some flowers. They look very happy. Their flowers are growing.
What's flower's name?
The flower is called the daffodil.
Daffodil?
Daffodil. Good job, Mila. Sasha, have you seen daffodils before?
Papa, our favorite.
Daffodils. Yeah, they're nice flowers. I bet we all have seen these before. Nice yellow daffodils. And then I got two more animals. Two more animals that you could have by you, and you could, and you could. We've got the lamb. The lamb would be at the farm. And the bird. The bird's in the nest. How about your trees by you, Amelia? Do you have any birds? You hear the birds in the morning tweeting? Tweet, 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 tweet. The birds wake up early in the morning. All right, girls. You heard the birds? Were they loud or were they quiet?
Loud.
Oh, okay. Maybe they were hungry. Okay, so those were some ideas of things you can see in nature.
I think someone yummy food.
Yeah, maybe they need their food. Okay, so
What do you
I want
eat my food?
when you guys have nice weather,
Why
and
why
you
does the bird eat my food?
oh yeah, okay, all right. When you guys go outside next time, maybe this afternoon or tomorrow, take this paper with you, okay? And then try to find all these items in nature. See if you can get all of them. You can find all of them outside. That would be awesome. And then you might even see some new things. Because you know what's on here? Not on here?
I did my raindrop.
You did your raindrops? Yeah, I hope we have no more rain. It does look cloudy out by us. Cloudy weather today. So I hope you guys can all find these items in nature. Oh, yeah, we're going to do that next, Amelia, okay? The reason we were talking about these items is because we're going to make a nature journal. We're going to make our own nature journal. All right, so where's your brown piece of paper, girls? Here's mine. Do you have one or two? You have two? You have one paper or two?
I just want one paper.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it into 4 rectangles. We're gonna take it, we're gonna fold it in half. We're gonna cut it into 4 rectangles. You can take your, see like this on the middle? We're gonna make 4 little pages.
Hold it.
Do you have a scissor by you, Amelia? Who's helping you today? Your brother?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. You know, they only have they only have like 20 some days left of school. Those big kids are lucky. Okay, so we're gonna make 4 rectangles. So we have 4 little pages we're gonna color pictures on. We're gonna make little pages for our little book we're making. Daisha, you got your scissors?
Papa?
Yeah, we're gonna make our nature mini book, nature journal. Okay, so I took 1 paper and I made 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 brown rectangles out of my 1 piece of paper.
Papa?
Aisha, why don't you get up and go say, can I please have scissors, Papa? Go ask him, okay? Because you're going to work with us on your mini book. Okay. Now, you got your sticker, Amelia? Where did I put my sticker? We're going to put our sticker on ours and our white ribbon. We're going to put our white ribbon on ours.
Papa.
Oh, where's my sticker? I must have used it. Oh no, where's my sticker? Okay, I'm gonna start with my ribbon then. I'm gonna put my ribbon on the front of my first page of mine. So I'm gonna use my glue and I'm gonna glue this onto one of my brown rectangles. We're gonna make a nature notebook. A nature notebook means you can look at nature and you can write down what you see. So I'm putting, Amelia, I saw you had your white rainbow ribbon that you called it. You called it a white rainbow ribbon, didn't you? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put it on my paper. I'm using my glue stick.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my glue stick.
Okay, that's a good idea. Is your brown paper all cut in squares for you or rectangles? Your brother help you?
I guess the glue by myself.
Okay, good idea. So look what I did for my first one. I put it on the side like this. You can put it at the top or the bottom if you want. Mila's got hers. Mila, we're gonna put our ribbon on our paper.
Papa, it's
Yeah, we get
Papa, 4 pieces. Yes.
4 pieces. Yes, Saisha. We're cutting it into 4 rectangles. Good job. Good listening. Okay. I'm gonna write a word on here, guys. I'm gonna write nature. Okay. This is our nature book we're making. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna write the letters. I'm gonna hold it up for you, and then you guys can do it too on your paper with a crayon or marker. Okay. And then you guys draw whatever you want. Flowers, trees, animals, rainbows.
Papa, 4 pieces. Papa,
4 pieces.
4 pieces.
Yes, we're cutting our brown paper into 4 rectangles. So if you cut, fold it in half and then fold it again. We're putting it into 4 rectangle shapes. Okay. Amelia, let's see yours. Did you glue yet?
Finger plancha.
There we go. All right. Did you glue it on then?
I don't
All right.
know my name, so you help.
Okay. Amelia, you glued the ribbon on? That's nice. Now put your sticker on, Amelia. Put your flower sticker on. Put it wherever you want, okay? It'll look so pretty. Yeah. Oh yeah. Glue that on your flower. That will look so nice.
Open my sticker.
Yeah. Put your sticker on your picture too, on your nature book too. My sticker is right here. Hold on. I gotta get my sticker. Mine is what color is yours? Mine is green and here's mine. I'm gonna put it on here.
Flower sticker.
I'm gonna put mine on my cover. I'm gonna put
Papa, Papa,
okay. Yeah, put your flower on there, Amelia. Yours is gonna look very colorful, Amelia, because you have those extra flowers. You have extra ones because that was when you went on vacation. So those will be pretty on your pitch and yours. Okay, I'm gonna go on to my next page. I'm gonna get my crayon and I'm gonna draw a flower. I'm gonna draw a flower. I'm gonna draw a blue flower. I'm gonna draw a blue flower.
Okay.
How many flowers should I make?
2, 3.
Good counting.
4.
4. I'm gonna draw some flowers on my paper for my nature book. I can see flowers by my house. I need to put the stem on my flower. I need a green marker crayon. Let me see. I got green crayon here. Green crayon.
Papa, you go children.
I'm making some flowers on mine. I'm gonna write the word flower too. So we have words in our book.
हम दूसरी ग्लू चेन पापा
Oh, good job gluing. And Mila is making some too. Mila is making some too. All right, I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to write the word for you. I'm going to write flowers. I'm going to write the word flowers on mine for you. F L O W R flowers. There's my flowers I made, Amelia. What are you going to put on yours?
Okay, you can take purple color.
Are you going to make an animal?
Again.
Here's my flowers. I find flowers in nature.
Trees be now, Papa, trees.
Let's see you draw something. Oh, Amelia put her flower on there. Good job, Amelia.
I want to glue so I can do like a book.
Yeah, you're gonna need help to put them. It is supposed to be a book.
Papa, trees now, Papa. Trees now.
Okay, so you can see flowers. How about, should I draw a tree or a bird? What do you guys want to draw?
इसमें ट्री बनाया, इसमें बर्ड है ना पापा, और इसमें फ्लावर्स है। सारे ग्लो लेके हम ड्राइंग कर देंगे, ठीक है?
How about a tree? How about a tree? I've got my brown marker. We were talking about the parts of the tree, right? The trunk and the branches.
पापा, पापा, आपको ये मैं आपको ब्राउन कलर दे, ब्राउन कलर।
We find trees in nature. Okay, here's my tree. What does it need on it? What does my tree need?
मैं कलर करूँगी, ठीक है पापा?
What does my tree need, girls?
पापा करो।
It needs some leaves, doesn't it?
मैं आपको बता दूँगी पापा देखो।
Oh, Mila, that's very pretty.
पापा लिखना उसमें।
That's very nice, Mila. Can you do an F for flower on there, Mila?
Papa.
Mila, can you write one of the letters for the word flower?
Papa, एक hole भी बना।
Yeah, I would love to see it.
Oh,
you put the flower on there? It looks great. Oh, and you traced the letters. Awesome. Good job. What else are you going to make, Amelia? How about a bird? Who knows how to draw a bird?
Mommy.
It's kind of tricky. You could try. Or a bumblebee. Oh, you could draw a bumblebee on your paper.
I don't like bumblebee.
No. Okay. How about a rainbow? Do you want to draw a rainbow?
Rainbow?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be
I want
pretty.
to draw a rainbow.
I want to see you draw the rainbow, Saisha. Amelia's going to draw her own rainbow. Her brother's not going to do it. Saisha, you going to draw a rainbow on your paper?
I think Julie asked me something.
The rainbow. Does everyone remember how you find a rainbow? What has to happen?
No, that one, last one.
What has to happen for a rainbow, friends?
End me, you last me.
Look, there's my tree. I think I did a good job. Tree? Yeah, that looks like a tree.
Blue.
I'm going to write the word tree with a T. Tree. Rainbow is a long word, but I'll do it for you guys. Tree, T-R-E-E. I wrote tree on my paper. Mila's doing some work with her dad. Good job, Mila. You're using some
Tree.
blue.
Leaves. Green leaves.
Amelia's making something. She's doing the rainbow, I think. Yeah.
Rainbow.
Should I do a rainbow too for mine? So ours all have the one of the same pictures, the rainbow.
Color do sare.
All right, I will do a rainbow. So the first color is red.
Green, red.
You need red for a rainbow.
Red दो. Red. तो सारे sketch pen दो मेरे को उधर वाले से.
Red, what else? Orange.
Red, orange.
Yellow.
Yellow. सारे दो
What color are you on, Amelia?
रेनबो बनानी है
Oh, Mila's got a bunch of colors.
रेड
Are you coloring with this, Mila, or is your dad doing all your work? All right, here's my rainbow. I've got red and orange. There's yellow. Oh, here we go. Mila's got yellow. I have my rainbow. I need to make yellow on mine. Yellow, and then I need green,
ग्रीन
green,
Agree.
blue,
Okay.
I got green
indigo,
I got green
blue, and indigo. Indigo is a shade. Indigo is a shade of purple. Indigo. Okay, there's my rainbow. I'm gonna hold it up and show you. I'm looking for white, but I can't find a white crayon right now. There's my rainbow.
white
Right.
And I'm gonna write the word. We're gonna label it. We're writing. We're working on our words. Rainbow starts with the letter R. So here's my rainbow. And I'm gonna write the word rainbow.
rainbow beautiful right let me write it rainbow
R-A-I-N.
Clouds भी
O
Clouds भी बना दो.
W. Let me see, Amelia. Hold it up. Show me.
Birds बना दो. Clouds.
Oh, it looks great. Here's my rainbow.
Up now.
Rainbow. There's the letters.
Yes, Ms.Julie.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. It looks nice. Are you going to try to write any of the letters? Can you do R for rainbow?
Can you write Sasha, can you write it?
Trace the dots if you need help. If your dad can write the dots for you.
Papa.
Do letter R.
You write yourself, huh?
Amelia, are you done
Right.
with all your pictures?
My mommy has
There is a
to
right
कैसे करते हैं पहले अब ऐसे सिखा दो इसको कैसे करते
इसके लिखो पहले चलो इसको लिखो आर लिखो ऐसे मैं लिख देता हूँ लिख लो
How's it going, Mila? Oh, you are markers now. You were using pencils. Good job, Mila.
हैं.
Okay, Amelia. So
नहीं
you're gonna probably, you said you wanted your pages all stuck together. You're gonna need tape or a stapler to put them together like a little book.
ये
Okay. So here's the front of mine. This is nature. And you could add more details. You could put leaves on there, pictures of bunny rabbits.
पानी से है पापा.
Are you writing something, Amelia? Oh, what are you writing?
My name.
Oh, great. I love that. I love that. Okay. Oh, yeah. So I have some tape on me. I'm
Papa,
gonna tape. Oh, here.
I'm
So
bad.
if you connect them together, you need a little stapler. That'll be a parent job. Staple it to make your book. Here, Miss Julie's got a little stapler right here. And I'm going to, look, now my pages are all stuck together. I got nature.
One more.
And then I've got
One more.
flowers. And what else did I draw? A tree. And a rainbow. So that was my little nature book.
No, better than more.
What are you being silly about, Amelia? Sounds like you're being silly. All right, girls, we're going to be out of time. I will see you in class tomorrow. If you're in my class tomorrow, And Amelia, I will see you Friday.
Bye,
No.
Miss Julie.
Today's Wednesday, yes, Friday. Bye. Amelia, I'll drop your package off either today or tomorrow at your door, okay? So you have your, today? Oh, and put a note? Okay, maybe. All right, I sent you guys all a superhero mask. Today is superhero day. So if you want to be a superhero this afternoon, I sent it to your email. You guys could all make a superhero mask. All right? So today is superhero day. And you guys are super students. Bye, Sideshed. Thank you so much. Bye, Mila.
Bye.
Amelia, good work writing. Good job practicing your writing. Thank you so much.
You were welcome.
Oh, very good manner.